Hope you're having a great day so far. Today is December 26th, Saturday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, including Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, before finally diving into Orchid protocol, OXTUSD, and see how that could be affected by the overall crypto markets. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. Most importantly, I do emphasize on looking on Bitcoin dominance. It tells me where the money could be trending into, whether it be Bitcoin or altcoins. Let's talk about the hourly time frame up on Bitcoin dominance, because this is what I want to point out. Since about December 23rd, when Bitcoin price action had that pullback and altcoins pulled back so much harder in double-digit losses, Bitcoin dominance has been forming this falling wedge pattern, creating more opportunities for trading altcoins, and a lot of the altcoins bounce back as Bitcoin dominance trends downwards, okay? Now, the Bitcoin dominance price action has broken out of this falling wedge pattern. Measured breakout of this falling wedge pattern is about 70%. We are way over that right now, about 71%, up almost 2% since yesterday. And I am seeing possible bearish divergence still on the hourly time frame. Not exactly on the 4-hour time frame. 6-hour time frame though. 12-hour. Daily. And even still the 3-day time frame, but we have been seeing possible bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame for quite a few days already, and has not even yielded a red candle on the 3-day time frame. So something I'll be keeping an eye out on, because if Bitcoin dominance continues trending upwards, this could still mean fewer trading opportunities for altcoins. Now on the weekly time frame, I do want to point out that Bitcoin dominance price action has been running within this falling Browning wedge pattern. The measured breakout of this pattern is about 73%. So if Bitcoin dominance continues trending towards this measured target, there could still be some turbulence for altcoins ahead. Now let's take a look into Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin price action here. As I have mentioned yesterday, there was possible bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Clearly negated now, and looks like a lot more parabolic. So quite a bit more strong price action coming for Bitcoin price action here. So I'll be looking out for this as well, because if Bitcoin dominance trends upwards and there's any possible pullbacks in Bitcoin price action, that could still shock a lot of the altcoins. Let me also point out that on the 3-day time frame, well, there isn't possible bearish divergence on the daily time frame. On the 3-day time frame as well, there's no possible bearish divergence yet. So in terms of a pullback, in terms of bearish divergence, I don't expect a pullback coming from bearish divergence yet, but from maybe being overbought, and if the bulls stop showing up. However, on the monthly time frame, I do also want to point out that there was and have been possible bearish divergence on the monthly time frame, even since the November close. So this is something I won't lose track of, because if other traders react the same way to this possible bearish divergence, it could come down pretty significantly and could bring quite a bit of the altcoins down with it. You guys let me know what you think. Now let's take a look into OXTUSD, see what has gone on in this market since the last time we have spoken, which has been quite a while. On the weekly time frame, most apparently that since even mid-August, that it has been running within this huge falling wedge pattern, and now it's forming somewhat of a smaller falling wedge pattern here. Out of that bigger falling wedge pattern, that breakout there was about, the measured target of that breakout, it's over 63 cents, okay? However, price action has gone nowhere near that measured target, has gone as far as about 37 cents. it now has been forming this smaller falling wedge pattern. The smaller falling wedge pattern, if it actually breaks out by tomorrow, hypothetically, I don't think that is likely, but just for convenience, picking tomorrow, the measured target, it's over 39 cents. Of course, if it actually breaks out later, the measured target would be lower, okay? Measured targets may or may not be reached. They are only theory. There's still quite a bit of resistance between the breakout point and the measured target, so possible rejections there, namely at about almost 32 cents and about 39 cents as well. So those are going to be some possible resistances along with the 3-day 50 simple moving average right here as well. Currently at about 29 cents almost, upward sloping seems to be. And on the weekly time frame, let's talk about this real quick because this seems to be the last major moving average that is acting as support right now. Currently about 24.5 cents about. If the weekly candle here, which closes in about a day, closes below this weekly 50 simple moving average, I would be less confident that it would actually break out sooner rather than later, because now this weekly 50 simple moving average becomes resistance after it loses support after it closes below it, okay? Then I'll be looking at a possible double bottom pattern here, but that's still quite a bit of a some way down, okay? It's about almost, it's going to be below 20 cents, and we're about 23 cents right now. So if this weekly candle closes below this weekly 50 simple moving average, there is still a possibility that will come all the way back down to about under 20 cents and possibly forming a double bottom pattern there instead. Now let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenario. Bullish case scenario, obviously, if the price action here actually breaks out of this falling wedge pattern and continue towards this measured target. Now, theoretically, if it actually breaks out by tomorrow, it's going to be a little over 39 cents. But like I said, if it breaks out later, then you're just going to have to consider a lower measured target with quite a bit of resistance between the breakout point and the measured target. Now let's explore the bearish case scenario because that seems to be looking a lot more likely right now unless it does something amazing by tomorrow, the weekly candle close. Is first of all, if the price action here closes below the weekly 50 simple moving average, then I'll be looking at the bottom trend line here for extrapolated support, okay? If the price action breaks the bottom trend line, then the next level of support, let's see, bottom trend line here is about 20 cents. So still pretty close to that double bottom target. So if the weekly 50 simple moving average does not hold, I'll be looking at about 20 cents for key support and possibly for that price action to form a double bottom. Now this concludes my very short analysis of OXTUSD for today. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts, agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.